Mustn't forget the toast.
Another perfectly good Sunday ruined!
Today is Boxing Day, and I've got loads of leftovers from yesterday. Roast potatoes, turkey, cauliflower and broccoli cheese. I've never made a Yorkshire pudding wrap before. I don't even know if this is gonna work. The rest of the day, I ain't doing shit. I'm just gonna sit around here and relax and stay, you know, chilled. Apart from the music, of course. Okay, so I've got stuffing. I'm gonna make a Yorkshire pud in this and then just chuck that in the oven. I've got a gravy here. I discovered yesterday that Yorkshires with coconut oil are hyfryd, as we'd say in Welsh. Bloody nice. Give that about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe a bit longer. Chocolate salted pretzel milk stout. I'm gonna put this down so I can pour it. Yep, needs a bit of seasoning. I'm not going to put salt in it. I'm going to put Marmite in it because that's very salty and is like loaded with vitamin B. Plus it'll darken the gravy a bit. What the hell? I guess that'll collapse a bit, right? Oh wow. I don't even have to clean it. Look at that, perfect. Stuffing. Simon Bond, if you're watching this right now, I know you're proper jealous. I put almost half a jar of horseradish on that because I get the cauliflower cheese on it. Now it looks like somebody vomited all over it, but I don't care, it tastes good. Now add the turkey, ham and gravy. Oh, look at that. I'm going to take a picture of that and send it to Simon. Say cheese. I don't usually do obnoxious stuff like send people pictures of my food, but on this occasion I felt I had to. While I eat this, I'm going to watch Gremlins 2, like I said I was going to on Christmas Day, but I didn't. Oh look, this is one where I've got a double copy. Well, it's almost over. After I've finished the rest of my craft beers, that's it. I won't be buying anymore. It was a nice like 3 or 4 year run. I might get the odd one occasionally, but nothing like this. I mean, if you think about it, the amount of money that's there is actually disgusting. Like, they're not cheap, and if you are a craft beer drinker yourself, you'll look at that pile and understand what I'm talking about. I just woke up from a nap and I was like, I left my beer in the freezer. That was like 2 hours ago. It's not frozen though. So I'm gonna have this now. 27th of December. I'm in Tesco because it's raining. Most places are closed anyway. And I'm not sure if I want to drink today or not. I'm buying a Christmas tree ready for next year. I wasn't sure if I was going to be one of them Christmas decoration households, but I guess by me picking up this tree kind of confirms that I will be. It's only 22 quid, down from 50 something, so might as well buy it now, get it out of the way. 3 things I got: a Christmas tree, black pudding and milk. What a waste of time. This is technically breakfast number 2 today. Mustn't forget the toast. Might be too much for 11:30 in the morning. for a 10% milk stout, but I don't know about this one. Wrong time of day. Plus I just filled up on like 3 different types of breakfast in one. I want to start work on this denim jacket, so I've cut one of my t-shirts. It was too small anyway. I'll have that on the back. I had 2 Friday the 13th t-shirts. I've taken that off the neck of the inside, one for each breast pocket, and there's a hood as well. And I was thinking of putting this, which was the back of the Slipknot t-shirt. Probably won't work out the way I wanted to, but might as well give it a go. All these are a mess, but you know, I didn't really know how to take them off properly back in the day. It's a shame that some of them are in a mess, and it's a shame I've lost half of my first one, my 2009 one. But I'll try and get them on the battle jacket as tidy as possible. That sign doesn't have eggnog lattes on it, but it doesn't say they don't have them. Right, it's still there. Hi, could I get a large eggnog latte, please? That's it, thanks.
Category 3 certified.
Today is a good day. I'm currently trying to figure out how to get the back of that Slipknot t-shirt onto the hood. Like an idiot, because I don't know what I'm doing. I cut the material too short. Yeah, that does look really cool. I just don't know if it's going to work. Hopefully it does. It's Friday the 30th of December. 3 minutes to 4. So hungover from yesterday that I haven't moved all day. And I can't be asked cooking anything. So I'm going to go grab some food from somewhere. I'll see if that new...
Disconnected. Ready to pair.
I'll see...
Please connect with phone or computer.
I'll see if
Go
that...
to phone or computer.
I'll see if that... I'll see if that new Smash Burger place is open in Bangor and try that. Oh, there it is. I was just about to Google it and then I saw that sign. I brought a menu back with me. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat this. I do not feel well. I only got a single burger because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to stomach this one, to be honest. Looks good. Am I going to be able to keep this down? Oh, I mean, the patties are thin, but you can always get 2 or 3. I only got a single because I didn't really know how big they were or what to expect. Oh, why do we drink? I was going to drink tomorrow to see the new year in, but there's no way I'm going to be doing that. So I've stopped drinking a day early. I'm probably not going to touch alcohol in January. Even though I've got 2 cans up there, I might save them for some other time. Yeah, that burger sauce is really good. It's a good burger. Just not ideal when you've got a stinking hangover. Loaded fries. Oh god, I can't stomach this. I mean, there's a lot of spray cheese or whatever that's on it. Oh, I am too hungover for this. I'm gonna have to stop eating. Wait for my stomach to settle. What the hell happened here? Anyway, it's my last eggnog latte of the year. Probably get one tomorrow. I was meant to go to Upper Bangor and I took the wrong blooming turn, ended up going through Beryl Jones Bridge. Right! boots. Where are you going? Almost went out the window then, didn't you? Ah, the Morrison's in Carnarvon. You don't need a pound coin. So for New Year's Day dinner, I'm thinking either lamb or beef. So I decided on a lamb dinner. With mashed potatoes and maybe roast. Maybe both. I don't know. Yeah, they still sell Blu-rays here. I'm gonna buy this, which is unofficially Evil Dead 4. Oh cool, there's an audio commentary as well. Nerd! They've got, like, Now That's What I Call Music compilations on CD. That has to be like 80s. Oh, they got my year of birth as well. What number are we at anyway, for real? 113. Now I feel old. Now That's What I Call Music 113. I started collecting them at Now That's What I Call Music 27 was the first one I got. And now we're up to 113. A quick update on the jacket before I go out and celebrate the new year. The Slipknot t-shirt has been sewed in. My mum did this work, not me. I do have to learn how to do it though. I put Friday the 13th on either side of the breast pockets. Don't know why, I just did. And the hood seems to look alright, I think. It's been sewed on also. I was going to put my 2009, 2013, 2015, 2019 and 2023 wristbands on this to signify the amount of times I've seen Slipknot at Download Festival. But if I do that and I make a Download Festival jacket to commemorate my 13th one and put a Download Festival t-shirt on the back of this, of a different jacket, and maybe put... Okay, here's what I'm asking an opinion for, and I did ask this on the Download Facebook, and I still haven't entirely made my mind up. I can put the wristbands that I just said onto this one, which will signify all the times I've seen Slipknot at Download Festival, or I can make a Download Festival specific one with commemorating my 13 years of going to Download and put all of the wristbands on that. Or somebody else suggested I try and find other wristbands like on eBay or whatever. Somebody actually offered me one, which was very generous of them. But it wouldn't be right unless I could... I said I'd take you up on the offer, but only if I can find all the others that I wanted. If not, I still got to decide whether I want to put the 5 on this and all the rest on another jacket, or put all the others on another jacket to commemorate it being my 13th Download Festival. If you have an opinion and we just want to talk about this jacket, I don't know if you call it a battle jacket because it has sleeves. I've got these as well. I've got a Ghostbusters and a Ghostbusters 2 patch that I ordered on Amazon a couple of days ago. I don't know. I don't think they suit this jacket now. And I know less is more. Less is more, I think. Let me know what you think, because I still haven't 100% made my mind up. I do like this hood though. I think it's fucking awesome. Glad that worked. You can see where it's been patched on, but who cares, man? Looks good. Yeah, Happy New Year. I'm sure there's more shenanigans to come. That's not me pissing, by the way. That's just a sound effect.